Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a soft pull pre-approval credit card, and it's a Visa credit card through Old Navy that you can get by being pre-qualified for a soft pull pre-approval. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information on how to improve your credit score no matter where you are in your credit journey, and also teach you how to use lines of credit to leverage and make passive income. So if you're new to my channel and you want content like this, please consider subscribing. Now, also keep in mind, you guys, there's a lot of scammers in the comments using YouTubers' pictures. Make sure if it's me responding to your comment, you will see it highlighted in gray, and you could click on my picture and see the number of the subscribers is matching. So I want to get into this information. Oh, also, I have an upcoming webinar September 18th. So if you want to sign up, the link will be in the description, and it's going to show you for this webinar how to improve your credit score and get more credit card approvals. Now, one thing, if you have followed my content, I tell you guys, you can improve your credit score and get to a 700 credit score without removing one negative item. It is a real misconception that people believe that you always have to remove something negative in order to increase your credit score. That is a misnomer. Most credit repair companies are charging you monthly. So the reason why they give you that information, because they get paid the longer they dispute. If you follow me, I always tell you, if you're under a 700 credit score, the quickest way to get to a 700 credit score is to add a unsecured line of credit. And people cannot grasp their minds around what's an unsecured line of credit. It is a credit card or a line of credit that you don't have to put a deposit down, that's not connected to a car or a mortgage, something that the company or the bank can come back, redeem, and sell to minimize their loss. So you want to look for unsecured lines of credit because you can build positive payment history by using a credit card. You just have to manage your utilization. So this is a great opportunity because Old Navy, the bank that backs them, is Synchrony Bank. And what I always try to teach you guys, store cards, merchandise cards, these kind of cards are easy to get approved for. And what's great when you have a store card like Old Navy with a Visa logo, you can use that card anywhere. You can use that card to rent a car. Now, for people who might not have a very strong credit score, you can just get the normal Old Navy card if you don't qualify for the Visa card, and that will help improve your credit score too. Anytime a primary unsecured line of credit report to your credit report within 30 days, you'll generally see a 50-point increase in your credit score. So what you want to do is find unsecured lines of credit and companies that is going to work with your credit profile. Now, the great thing about the pre-approval, it minimizes how many hard inquiries you'll receive. If you follow my information, I tell you all the time, I don't care how good your credit score is. I had a client, 740 credit score, had 11 hard inquiries, and could not get approved for anything. So if you're a person with hard inquiries, we do have a free hard inquiry removal package there at my website, so you can download it for free. So you want to find credit cards or unsecured credit cards, revolving credit cards, add those to your credit profile while you're disputing negative items. At the same time, you're trying to remove collections. You'll be surprised how quick if you use this process, you can transform your credit score. So when we're looking at the Old Navy card, the reason why this is great, because store cards, especially Synchrony, you can get larger lines of credit as time goes on every 6 months. These store cards need customers to buy their products so they can stay in business. So the good thing, instead of going to a subprime credit card through a bank issue card, they have high annual fees. With this card from Old Navy, it has a Visa logo where you can use it anywhere, but it doesn't have an annual fee. So you don't, you're not stuck always paying a $8 monthly fee, $99 annual fee every year just to get a $300 credit card. So this is a great option. Now with this Old Navy, they're offering right now that you can enjoy 20% off your first purchase if you apply for this card. And they also have benefits. There's two versions. One is the Old Navy credit card, but one is the Old Navy credit card with the Visa logo. That's the one you can use anyway. So 5 points for every dollar spent at Gap brands, because if you didn't know, Old Navy is a subsidiary of Gap. Also, you can get 5,000 points to upgrade if you have the Visa credit card version. Plus, they will give you $5 reward for every 500 points earned. That's with both cards. You can redeem rewards at any Gap brand. So that's for all Gap subsidiaries and Gap itself. Now, this offer is through the whole year, and that's for both cards. Early access to popular sales you get with both cards. No annual fees, which is a great highlight if you're trying to build credit. And you have zero fraud liability with both cards. But with the Visa version of this Old Navy card, you get free 3 to 5 day shipping on any online order from Old Navy, Gap, Banana Republic, and Athena. With the code, you can get this 5 day shipping. So great, 20% bonus points each quarter. That's with the Visa version, and free basic alterations on Banana Republic purchases. You can call this number toll free if y'all have any questions, and that is 866-450-5295. So if you have questions, you have that. Now, you can also a breakdown to understand with this credit card. When it comes down to store cards, they are a great way to build credit. Another thing, they're usually generous, more generous with credit lines. So one thing you'll find out if you're trying to build credit, when you're starting off, you get these subprime cards and they only give you a $300 credit limit, $500 credit limit. When you start to get more credit cards, you'll notice a pattern. Whatever current credit card limit that you have, if you got a Capital One credit card and they only give you a $500 credit limit, if you go to Credit One Bank, they're probably going to just match that 500 credit card limit because that's what you have already been given. The great thing about these store cards and Synchrony, you can increase your lines of credit very quickly. So now when you go to a Capital One a Discover and you got a $2,000 credit card limit, let's say with Old Navy, they will generally match the line of credit you already have. So this is a great opportunity to get in. They do pull from TransUnion, so you want to keep that in mind. For the regular store card, the people saying that they get approved for this card generally with a 620 credit score. But if you're looking for the Visa version, it's usually around 650 credit score. And like I said, they pull from TransUnion. So keep that in mind. Make sure that you focus on your TransUnion credit score. Now, the APR for this card is 25.99%. So it is a higher APR. You always want to make sure when you're building your credit that you are responsible and do not use over 30% of this credit card, or you will see an adverse dip in your credit score. So I'm going to leave this link in the description of the video. And one thing you can do is go here and simply hit in the supply section. You'll find out that you can get pre-qualified at this website, and it will simply take you to the screen and they'll ask you for your last 4 digits of your social security number. And this will not, you can get a pre-approval and it will not affect your credit score. So you could see if you're pre-approved here. So hopefully this is informational. If you have any questions you want to ask me about personal issues that you're having with your credit, feel free to contact me at my website, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone, so I'll respond. If you have any general questions, you can just leave it in the comment section of this video. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.